our last two videos, we learned about how to change the form of narration for assertive sentences and also for questions. Now, in today's video, I am going to show you how we can change the form of narration for imperative sentences. Now, do you remember what is an imperative sentence? Imperative sentences are sentences that expresses a command or a request, sometimes an advice also. So let's go to the sentences now. Here the sentence is the commander said to the soldiers, march forward. The commander said to the soldiers, reporting verb is said here, to the soldiers, march forward. Now we will have to decide what reporting verb we can use for this sentence. I believe for this sentence it is very obvious that it is an order. So we will write the commander ordered. Said is changed to ordered. The commander ordered the soldiers. Now we will add this particular soldiers to march forward. Now let us go to the second sentence. He said, please bring me some water. Now it's very obvious for us that we can see this word also, please. So this is very obvious that it is a request. So we will use the word requested here in place of said. He requested to bring. Now remember, this will have to change. He requested to bring him some water. And for the third sentence, the mother said, boy, do not go out in the sun. We can change it to the mother advised. But remember, sometimes it is not very clear whether it's a request or an order or an advice. So in those cases, we will be able to use told or ask also. But here, I think we can use advise. The mother advised the boy, and also take note of this thing. This is a negative sentence. So these were positive. So we used to. But since this is a negative sentence, we will use not to. Not to go out in the sun. So in this way we change narration for this kind of sentences. Let us look at the differences. How we changed narration for imperative sentences. We changed the reporting verb said to requested. We can change it to request, to order, to advise, or if it's not very clear, then we can use these two verbs also. Then secondly, you must remember that there is no use of conjunction that here also. It was only there in case of assertive sentences. In interrogative sentences also there is no use of conjunction that, and in imperative sentence also no use of that conjunction. And third, this is very important for imperative sentences. The imperative mood is changed to infinitive. The imperative mood is changed to infinitive. That means here we are using, if the sentence is positive, we are using the particle to, and if it is negative, we are using the particle not to. So these are the things to be remembered for changing the form of narration for imperative sentences. And I hope to wind up with this topic, narration, with changing it for exclamatory or optative sentences in my next video. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.